our product M Collect, which is a debt monitoring, collection, and recovery platform. Okay, it's a ubiquitous platform which allows uh, large banks of various sizes, NBFCs, rural banks, as well as any financial institution, telecom company, or a utility company. So wherever there is money involved, money to be taken from the consumer, collected from the consumer rather, our software comes into picture, our platform comes into picture. It's a platform that has evolved over a period of time. It's almost a decade. The platform has been hardened with industry experience, industry use cases, okay, across various loan portfolios, be it secured, be it unsecured, be it personal loans, be it consumer loans, consumer durable loans, home loans, car loans, two-wheelers, and the list goes on. And all the various innovative ways of lending, which is BNPL and those kind of digital lending that has come through. The more ways of lending that will get invented, will require a smarter and an intelligent system to collect, and that's exactly where we operated, and that's exactly the space we have a very strong product, a strong vision, and a strong roadmap uh, to drive it to the next level. So when collection started at a very, when we started, in fact, at a very early stage in the 2012 and 14 space, specifically on this product, and an organization we are, 15 years old, 2008 onwards, we've been into enterprise mobility and as a one of the pioneers in that space. When it came to collection management, 2013, 14 odd, we conceptualized and started developing this product, and through some large banks and financial institutions, the product was, ruggedized and ensured that it caters to the industry needs. There, I think it was more manual, disjointed processes, very less visibility and control in the system. This has had to be changed. Collection being the last part that was automated with banks and NBFCs. The early focus was on core banking system that it moved to the sales of the CRM, and then it moved to the loan origination part of it. And I think it's a turn and the right time for the collection system to further move on. And we evolved during this cycle. And once COVID hit the market, I think the industry at a large had no choice but to innovate and find smarter ways of reaching out to their customers, reminding them, collecting money. And we also moved along with it, and there was a complete consumer focused digital collection module that was brought in. We added, besides the field collection, recovery modules, which takes care of the settlement, legal, repossession of assets. All these aspects are well taken care in the platform. The platform is now beyond automation. It has evolved where obviously all the processes, regulation, compliances. It's a highly regulated space where RBI has very stringent norms in terms of how data is accessed, who accesses the data, how the collection agents are supposed to speak with the customer. Keeping in mind on this, it is very tough for a bank, NBFC, to handle these and stay out of the penalties or fines that RBI applies in case of any compliance mismatches. So we aim to make it simple. We aim to make it easier and compliant. So, for example, no communication goes out from our system beyond RBI timelines of 9 to 7, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And all the communication that goes out is vetted by the banks, and templates are defined. Uh, we even record the communication that happens between the collection agent and the consumer. Okay, and we help the banks do sentiment analysis, categorizing this. So if there is any misbehavior or misconduct that has happened, it is flagged off in the system to allow the compliance. The whole. So as I said, beyond automation, there is a much more lather scope, and which is what we have brought. So it was early days. It was about giving a tech platform which caters from monitoring to collection to recovery. Okay, and now it is about debt resolution. So when I say debt resolution, we have our skin in the game. So not just the tech platform, but also the services around it, which includes the contact center or call center, which is the human element or the physical element to it. Obviously, the field people, when they go out and meet the customer, can use our technology, our app, to completely record the feedback or to collect payments from the customer across cash, check, UPI, digital, every mechanism that is there. From there till the point where legal needs to be initiated with the customer. So we offer a integrated service where if a car needs to be picked up, a two-wheeler needs to be picked up, most of these require legal intervention, some local presence. So we are bundling that as a service. So we are now a tech-enabled platform, and we help banks or NBFCs resolve their debt, not just manage their debt, but resolve their debt. So we have put our skin in the game, and we have a vision to humanize debt collection. Debt collection has been a very tough industry, has a lot of misnomers. It scares the customer. We want to make it more customer friendly, more customer centric, in the sense where a customer is contacted at the right time with the right channel with his choice of payment that he needs to do.